Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make an accurate character AI bot. Creating a character AI bot ensuring engaging and realistic interaction. Follow these steps to design a well-defined AI character. First, go to Character AI and log in. Click on Create and select Character to start a new bot. To make your bot as accurate as possible, set a clear details like input a name, give your bot a unique and relevant name. Description, provide a short but detailed introduction about the character. Personal traits, you can specify their tone, behavior, and how they respond. The speaking style, you can adjust vocabulary, sentence structure, and quirks. You can use formal, casual, or sarcastic. The backstory, you can create a history to make a character more immersive. Set up example messages. Provide a chat examples to guide the AI's responses. The more detailed, the better the bot understand how it should reply. Then adjust the character settings. Fine tune your bot's behavior. Your personality slider. Adjust how much creative freedom the bot has. The memory, it ensures it remembers its key facts within conversation. And then chat with the bot to check accuracy. Refine the response if bot replies incorrectly. Then improve with feedback by adjusting the bot example and description. And that's it. If you found this video tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.